what was the whole thing with Knobs about? We've heard that he's been known to use the N word from time to time. Was it over that or something else?
I'm sitting there listening to him, and somebody had texted me, and I was reading my text on my phone, and Knobs had just made a comment to somebody, and he looked at me, and I laughed. And he was like, "Nujek, what you laughing at? You can't wrestle." And I was like, "Really?" And he was like, "You can't wrestle?" So I stood up, I took my ring off, took my watch off, set my phone down, and I hit him in the face. And he fell. And I jumped on him and I started beating the shit out of him. And he was like, "Jack, what's wrong with you? We brothers." I said, "Motherfucker, we ain't brothers." I said, "I don't fucking know you." And during the whole time, he was trying to talk his way out of his ass whooping he was getting. And I beat the shit out of him. I beat the fucking shit out of Knobs that night. So he sent me this picture on Twitter where he was bent over showing his ass crack. And bro, he got a butthole like this big. And if you go on my Twitter, it's still on there. Right? And I posted it on Twitter. And he got my phone on me and he called me. He was like, "Nujek, why you gotta put that picture up?" He said, "Brother, I'm sorry." And I was like, "No, fuck you." I said, "You sent me that bullshit, I'm gonna post it."
Nujek said he knocked me out 3 times because
I think Hogan would have to abandon you as a friend if that.
oh, he said it more than me.